Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome to my channel Masroor Education Insights. Pakistan History MCQs for PPSC, FPS, NTS and other all type of entry test. For more informative videos, please subscribe our channel Masroor Education Insights. Let's start the video. Question number 1. In Pakistan history, the first Sikh public relation officer to Punjab governor has been appointed. Answer is Sardar Pawan Singh Arora. Next is Pakistan Historic Lunar Mission iCube Q has been launched from which city of China? And the right answer is Henan. Next is which Pakistani city is famous for its historical significance as an ancient center of learning and a UNESCO World Heritage Site? And the right answer is Taxila. Next is first female spin bowling coach in Pakistan Super League history is. The right answer is Alex Hartley. Next is who wrote the book Constitutional History of Pakistan? And the right answer is Ghulam Wahid Chaudhry. Next question is first time in the history of Pakistan DGISI addresses press conference. The right answer is Lieutenant General Nadeem Anjum. Next is who becomes first Prime Minister in Pakistan history to have been removed from office through a no confidence vote? Answer is Imran Khan. Next is who is the first Pakistani transgender doctor in the history of Pakistan? The answer is Sarah Gill. Next question is name the Pakistan born surgeon among team who made history with pig to human heart transplant. Answer is Dr. Muhammad Mayuddin. Next is who was the only 5-star general in Pakistan Army history? The right answer is General Ayub Khan. Next question is constitutional and political history of Pakistan is written by. The right answer is Hamid Khan. Next question is a history of Pakistan was written by Dash. The right answer is Gankowski wave. Next is when for the rehabilitation of refugees emergency was declared for the first time in the history of Pakistan. And the right answer is August 27, 1948. Next is Pakistan. A personal history is written by. The right answer is Imran Khan. The next question is, name the Pakistani Canadian scientist who made historic invention on human brain silicon chips. The right answer is Dr. Naveed Syed. Next question is, which bank creates history, becomes the first Pakistani bank to open a branch in Beijing, China? The answer is HBL, Habib Bank Limited. Next is, who is the author of book Tarikh-o-Irtiqa, which traces the history and evolution of documentaries in Pakistan? The right answer is Nazimuddin. Next is the Parliament of Pakistan, a history of institution building and democratic practices, is authored by. Answer is Mehboob Hussain. Next question is, the books The Murder of History, the Pakistani historian and British and Muslim India were written by. Answer is KK Aziz. Next question is, Nigar Johar is the dash woman in the history of Pakistan Army to reach the rank of Major General. Answer is third woman. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please press the like button and subscribe our channel for more informative videos.